While working with ChatGPT, one of the annoying problem is to repeat the same prompt or part of the prompt several times. It gets very annoying to type the same thing over and over and then over again. Especially if ChatGPT forgets the purpose of the chat, then you have to repeat the same request in the context of this or that dialogue. But that problem is now being solved by this plugin, which is shown on your screen. This plugin has been created by Ilya Sinenko, who is a CEO and web software engineer, and also a writer on various blogs. So he has released this open source plugin, which you can install today by going to this GitHub repo and following very simple steps, which involves creating a directory, creating an icon there, then pasting this manifest file, and also use this JavaScript file. So what this would do is this will summarize that text in English. It could create poems, and then once you are done with it, all you need to do is to just go to your Chrome browser, then go to menu, settings, extension, and load. And from there, you would just point it to that folder where you have pasted this content.js and icon.png plus manifest file. So as you can see, this is the JavaScript code. You don't have to understand this code. All you need to do is to just paste it. Once that's done, similarly, you need to go in the same directory or folder and then create this icon. You can even use this one, and then also make sure to have this manifest file there. So that's all there is to it, and it becomes very easy once you have this plugin to repeat the prompts. I hope that you find it useful. If you have any improvements or any feedback on this one, go to this GitHub repo and contribute to it. I'll post the link to it in the video's description. Thank you very much.